making sense of many, few, some, any, and a lot of adjectives and adverbs. Hello everyone. Welcome to our lesson today. We're going to delve into a crucial aspect of English language learning: the usage of the words many, few, some, any, and a lot of. We'll be focusing particularly on the common mistakes learners often make and how to avoid them. This section emphasizes mistakes with adjectives and adverbs. Let's dive right in. Adjectives and adverbs are essential parts of speech in English. Adjectives describe or modify nouns, while adverbs typically modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. To understand how to use many, few, some, any, and a lot of correctly, we first need to understand when to use an adjective and when to use an adverb. When we say, "I have many friends," we use many as an adjective because it's describing the noun, friends. But if we say, "I often meet many friends," often is an adverb because it's modifying the verb meet. Always remember to use adjectives to modify nouns and adverbs to modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Now, let's look at some common mistakes with the words many, few, some, any, and a lot of, and learn how to correct them. 1. Incorrect. I have a lot of works. Correct. I have a lot of work. Work is uncountable, so we don't use it in the plural form. 2. Incorrect. She has few friends. Correct. She has a few friends. Few and a few have different meanings. Few means not many, implying a negative situation, while a few means some, implying a neutral or positive situation. 3. Incorrect. There are any apples in the basket. Correct. There are some apples in the basket. Use some in affirmative sentences and any in negative sentences and questions when you don't specify the number of things or amount of something. That wraps up our lesson today on common mistakes when using many, few, some, any, and a lot of. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing and you'll master these tricky words in no time. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!